Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is video number 24. In this video, we will learn find and replace in Excel. So let's start. To find in Excel, press the Ctrl F and you can see find and replace dialog box is open. In find tab, enter here find what. So I enter here 102 and click on the find all and you can see the 102 here selected. Okay, with this you can see the detail also showing for 102 value, and that's it. This is a way you can quickly find it. This is a small data. If you have a large data, it is so helpful to find anything. You can use here the other option also within the sheet. You can select the sheet. If you want to select the within a workbook means in entire Excel file. It means all sheet those are available in your Excel workbook. Okay. So, and the second option is search by rows. If you want to search by rows, you can select the rows. If you want to search by column, you can select the column. Okay. Look in formulas, then click on this drop down, look in values, notes and comment. You can select the according to your search. Okay. You can select the match case, match entire cell contains, and that's it. This is a way you can quickly find in Excel. To replace in Excel, again press the Ctrl F and here you can see find and replace dialog box is open. Then click on the replace tab and here in find what I enter here HR. Okay, and replace with IT. Okay, so I just replace with IT. So I'm going to change your department HR to IT. There are two HR row here showing. Okay, so I just click on the replace all and that's it. You can see in HR department now you can see the HR is replaced with IT department. All finished, we made two replacement. Okay, that's it. So this is a way you can quickly replace in your Excel also. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.